So guys, we're gonna make a DIY homestead project for our chickens, and we're gonna make them this. A poultry watering cups. I know there's not 3 because we have 3 out there, and we're gonna have to use a drill right here.
Here, drill bit.
And then the bucket.
And then a bucket.
And this is gonna be very important for them because sometimes they just spill it, and sometimes my dogs get in there and just drinks all the water whenever we're not around and whenever we're not even close to him. So that's why we need this, and he won't even drink the water because it's gonna be out here, and Toby's not even gonna try to lick it because his tongue is like this flat.
Yeah.
This flat. And they only use their beaks to drink. They go like that. So I hope you like this. Let's make sure we make this correctly.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna cut this one out. Make sure you take them out of here. It's hard. Oh, it's hard. It's super duper hard, Ooh, yep. It's super duper hard. Pull this one out. Here it is. Poultry watering cups are out. Alrighty, here it is. So this going into this bucket right here, so the chickens can drink the water from there. We need a fresh water for them. Make sure they stay healthy because we've been keeping them for a while. And then
for a year, guys.
Yeah, we need a drill here. Alright, yeah. So this drill
is gonna make a hole in that bucket, and then we're gonna put the poultry watering cups in, and then when we do,
yep, it's working now. There you go.
Put the TV's on.
Alright guys, so we have a drill, and make sure the drill bit is like as recommended on the paper set right there, because it says you need a 3x8 of the drill size, a drill bit size, so that you can make a decent hole so that it can fit right in here. Alright, so I'm gonna make a drill. I'm gonna make a hole right here so that we can put a drill bit in there. Okay, so let me see.
I think you should put it in the middle. I think you should put it in the middle, Dad.
Maybe right here?
Yeah. That's gonna be good.
Alrighty. So hope this is good enough. Alright. Let me see. There you go.
Woo! That made a loud noise, guys.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give my dad the poultry, these again. You see the middle? They have these little things that the chickens poke. They peck.
So what you gotta do is like make sure you just tie them in here.
And if it works, and if it's the perfect size, that's the perfect size that we can use.
Yeah, all you gotta do is keep tying it
until it's nice and full. Until it's nice and tight. Let's see it, guys. Oh yeah, not tight yet. You need a little bit more tighter because they have strong feet, and they can use their beaks to knock this down. So we need it very tight.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's
I'm not sure if it's gonna work.
Let's see if it's
Maybe I made a little bit big hole in here.
Let's see if it. Wait, let's see. Oh, it's right there. It's right there, guys. Look, it's right there. So here's the other poultry thing. Here, the yellow thing, that's what they poke, and that's where the water comes from. Alright. That's how this is fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. But then I have to test it, so let's test it. Wait a second. Let's see if it works. This is way tight.
So everything is fine so far, and let's see if it's lit. Okay, so let me put the water in there, and then find out if it's leak or not. Trying to find out. If it's gonna leak, then I'm gonna replace it. Alright, no leaks. That's a good sign. There you go, no leaks. Chickens are ready to drink the water, how it drips out. See? The water is in the cup now. And let me check on this one too. See? The water is in the cup now. That's how it's gonna feel. And chickens, they like to drink from here. Alright guys, let me set it up with the chickens.
It's open.
Alright, go ahead and fill that thing out. Yeah guys, it's gonna work. It'll be good for the week.
And then
right?
the chicken, I took one egg from the red chicken. She has a lot of eggs in her belly. She literally does. She only lays one at a time. Like she doesn't want to waste all her eggs.
Alright.
Oh, got it.
The one that is in the bottom too. We open the big door. We do have an access. So made it all good here. The chicken coop is so good.
Dad, come here, guys. I want to show you the roosting place. They have a little bridge. And guys, look. They have a little bridge. They have a bridge instead of flying up there. They can walk up there and go up there. So, come on, guys.
Ooh. All right.
Let's see if the water nipples work.
All right.
Let's
So
see if it works. It works?
it is gonna work right there.
We're gonna need them a lot of water in here, so almost full, so they can drink it off in there, and they can push this again, and then drink it off.
Yeah. Everything's fine. Can you go get the lead now?
Go get the. We don't need this anymore.
No.
We got the water treatment.
All right. Lid is on.
I guess she's in there laying her eggs.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. Just leave it right there.
Do it. Make sure.
Alrighty. Right? Alright, just set it on top so the chicken won't mess it up. Alrighty.
Look at her. She's in there.
Yeah. What is it doing?
She's laying her eggs.
Alrighty. Let's check.
You guys, you're not gonna think these are lay
Look
eggs.
at this, guys. Here you go. She's laying eggs. You grew. You ready to lay the eggs now? Already. What you got on your mouth? Can you hold this? Looks like she got something in her mouth.
Oh, she got out.
Oh.
Come on.
Alright, let her come back and sit again.
Yeah, that's good.
Alrighty.